Hello students, welcome to science class. I am Miss Saida and I will be teaching you chapter number 9 from science 2, that is environmental management. In this chapter we will study different topics like weather and climate, solid waste management, meteorology and disaster management. First we will study about weather and climate. Students, we hear about weather and climate most of the time, right? And most of us check the local weather forecast to plan our days. And climate changes is certainly a hot topic in the news nowadays. But still there is a lot of confusion between weather and climate. You can think in this way, climate is what you expect and weather is what you get. So weather is what you see outside on any particular day. For example, 45 degrees and sunny, or 10 degrees with heavy snowfall. So that's the weather. Climate is the average of that weather. For example, you can expect snowfall in northern areas of India while hot and humid condition in the southern part of the India. So this is climate. And the climate records also includes extreme values like high temperature or high rainfall. So when we are talking about climate change, we are talking about changes in long-term averages of daily weather. So in most of the places, weather can change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, or season to season. And climate, however, is the average of weather over time and space. So weather is an atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place, and it is short-term condition of the atmosphere. While climate, it means the usual condition of the temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, rainfall, clouds, etc. So all these factor in an area of Earth's surface for long time. And climate is the average condition for about 30 years. So it is a long-term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Changes in weather. Climate does not change continuously. It remains constant in a region for a long duration, and it is related to a longer duration and area, while weather is related to a specific location and specific time. So climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration, and we can see that weather is related to specific location and specific time. So changes in the weather may occur for short periods, whereas changes in the climate take place slowly over a long duration. And climate plays very important role in our day-to-day life. And there are different factors which play important role in the atmospheric condition. And these factors are called as climatic factors, or you can say weather related climatic factors. And these are atmospheric pressure, rainfall, clouds, humidity, visibility, sunlight, temperature, or snowfall or ice formation. Now these various factors, even direction and speed of wind, They are considered during construction of runways, seaports, or huge bridges, and even the huge buildings which are called as skyscrapers. Now, weather plays very important role in the living world. First of all, daily weather and long-term climatic conditions, they influence human lifestyle either directly or indirectly. And the climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyle of the people of that region. So it plays very important role in the formation and enrichment of the soil, that is the nutrition of the soil. And microbes which are present in the soil, they forms organic matter. And this process of formation of organic matter depends on number of climatic factors. Even formation of oceanic currents or salinity of the marine water, that is the salt content of the marine water, then water cycle, all these are related to weather and climate. While ascertaining the climate of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of a climate is very important. So most countries in the world, they have established meteorology department for making and recording such observation of climatic condition. And these departments, they have observatories which are equipped with modern instruments and technology. If present climatic condition they are analyzed with reference to the past climatic condition, then it is very easy to predict changes of the future. So the climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors. And forecasting a climate is very complicated and difficult task. Forecasting of a climate is very easy for places where climate changes are slow and of a limited nature. But where climatic changes are complex, rapid, interdependent, then making of forecasting is very difficult task. So we can see meteorology is very important, or you can see it is playing very important role from the viewpoint of human life. Why? Because human life ultimately depends on the different climatic factors. So this is all about today's topic. I hope students you have understood. In the next video, I will teach you the next topic, that is the meteorology. Till then, take care. Goodbye.